Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea High Tides Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. Just got it in the mail this week. Look at it, it's so and it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Look at the pressed glitters. They're amazing, right? So let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the video, and subscribe. All right, let's get going. I'm gonna be using the Shape Tape Pore and Prime Balm to soften my skin and fill up the pores. That's how it looks. Let me know how you guys like this if you use it. I'm gonna be applying a little bit of the Shape Tape under my eye. This is the Smashbox Lid Primer, Photo Finish Lid Primer Light. I got this on my Ipsy bag. So I'm just gonna prime a little bit. I really love this color because it's very similar to my skin tone. It's good for the eyeshadows, so they set better. Guys, this palette smells delicious. You just want to eat it too. It's very intense. I really like it. It has even like a shimmer to it. All right, so now let's move on to the lighter part where I'm gonna apply some lid primer again to get the pigmentation highlighted for the lighter color, which is going to be the Surf's Up. Primer on, let it dry for a little bit. Try not to open your eye while you have it on. Let it dry for a little bit. Otherwise, you're gonna have primer all over your top lid, and we already did the top lid, so we don't want it to get ruined. So we're gonna go ahead and apply Surf's Up color. Okay, so now on the inside, I'm gonna use the Buried Gold again. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna use a little bit of the Aquaholic glitter in the middle, right where it blends. I finished applying the glitter, the set glitter, and finished my other eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and do eyeliner, lashes, and back. that we have the eyelashes, we're gonna go back to the Aloha Beaches color, and we're gonna put a little bit down here. So now I'm done with the foundation and the rest of my face, and I am just going to use the Pore Afterglow highlighter. I love this highlighter. I'm in love with Becca, and after I saw this one I was like, oh, okay, so maybe Becca and this one will be my favorite from now. Go to the beach. All right, here, lipstick. Using Kylie's KHLO money sign. I don't know which one this is. It's very old, so this color is what I'm gonna use. So on top of this, I'm going to be putting a little bit of the ochre. That's what it's called, ochre. This is, gosh, these are Kylie. On top of those two, let's use the Becca Glow Gloss. Add a little bit here. Quirky Tarte blush. I love it. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. Okay guys, so this is it. Let me know what you guys think of the tutorial. If you guys like the palette, go get it.